Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can invite members or guests to your Monday.com workspace or your Monday.com board. So as you can see, I'm now in my YouTube dashboard, but what I need to do is I need to tap on invite in the top right. As you can see, tap on it, and I am the only one in this board right now. But if you want to add members, add guests to your board, you can easily do that by just typing the email. So for example, you can just select test@gmail.com, and a message will pop up that this is not the same domain name. As you can see, I use this temporary domain, but you can still invite them as a member. So as you can see, this test@gmail.com will now get a notification that he can join my Monday.com workspace. As you can see, pending invitation, they need to accept it, and I can change the rules of this Gmail address of this person when they accept it. So you can easily just delete it, remove them from your workspace, from your board, and they are gone. So as you can see, it's very easy. You can work together very nice in Monday.com. You can integrate it with a lot of apps, automated very easily. It's very great. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing. It means a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.